Hello, future programmers or the current programmers. Today we are going to build our own digital clock using Python. So for this, we are going to use the Tkinter library. Let's just run this program first to see how it works. Let me just run it by clicking here, and you can see that it is showing the time 10 o'clock 10 p.m., which is right now. So we will close it. Now let me explain you how we can build it. For this, we are importing the Tkinter library, and we are importing the time method, and from the time method we are importing strf time. We are setting the title as digital clock here. Then we are defining a method named as clock. Inside this method, we are setting the time format inside the strf time. We are setting the label method using. We are setting the label method using the config. We're setting the text tick. Then what we are doing, we are packing the label method, and after packing the label method we are calling the clock function. Okay, we are calling our clock function and use the after method to do the same. We would like to call it every second so that it will be our first parameter. So this is why we are mentioning label dot after 1000 clock. So we are calling clock method after every. So we are calling sorry we were calling this every second. So that will be our first parameter. Okay, so once done with this, we will require a label. So we are going to store our title inside it. Okay, so this is why we are mentioning label inside the label root. Inside the root, we are calling it the Kinter library. We're mentioning a title here, and we are setting the UI inside this label. Okay, so now that we have designed our label, we are ready to pack it. So we will do with the pack method. We can also define the alignment of the label using the anchor method. So here we are designing the alignment. Then after that, we are calling a clock function, and then the end we are going to call main loop. That's it, we are done. And this is how it looks like. So I hope now you can design your own digital clock using Python. You can change the alignments, change the foreground, background, anyhow you can design your own digital clock. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.